Comfrey, Symphytum officinale, is a fast-growing, herbaceous perennial plant known for its medicinal properties, attractive foliage, and bell-shaped flowers. It's widely valued in organic gardening for its use as a natural fertilizer, soil conditioner, and compost activator, as well as in herbal remedies with caution. Appearance: leaves, large hairy lance-shaped leaves that are deep green and rough to the touch. They grow in a rosette form and can reach up to 12 inches long. Flowers: bell-shaped flowers bloom in clusters, typically purple, pink, blue, or cream. They droop downward and attract bees and pollinators. Roots: Comfrey has long, deep taproots that mine nutrients from deep in the soil, making them excellent for improving soil health. Blooming time: blooms from late spring through summer, typically May to August, depending on climate. Growth habit: height, 2 to 4 feet, 60 to 120 centimeters tall. Spread: can grow 2 to 3 feet wide. Structure: forms dense clumps and spreads via roots. Not invasive but persistent once established. Growing conditions: light, grows well in full sun to partial shade. Soil: thrives in moist, well-drained soil but tolerates poor soils due to its deep roots. Water: likes consistent moisture, drought-tolerant once mature, but prefers damp conditions. Climate: hardy in USDA zones 3 to 9. Propagation: easily propagated by root cuttings, the most common method, or by division in spring or fall. Not typically grown from seed because it often doesn't breed true. Uses in the garden: 1. Green manure. Comfrey leaves decompose rapidly and enrich compost piles, or can be used directly as mulch or dug into soil. 2. Comfrey tea. A natural liquid fertilizer made by steeping leaves in water. Rich in potassium, excellent for tomatoes, peppers, and fruiting plants. 3. Pollinator plant. Attracts bees, making it a great companion near vegetable gardens. 4. Soil improvement. Deep roots help break up compacted soil and draw up nutrients, improving fertility over time. Medicinal uses, caution advised. 1. Traditionally used for wound healing, bruises, sprains, and inflammation. 2. Contains allantoin, which promotes cell regeneration. 3. Warning: Comfrey contains pyrrolizidine alkaloids, which can be toxic to the liver if ingested in large amounts or over time. Not recommended for internal use without professional guidance. 4. Topical use on unbroken skin is generally considered safe for short-term application. Pests and problems: 1. Very low maintenance and pest resistant. 2. Rarely affected by insects or disease. Companion planting: great planted near fruit trees, vegetables, and compost heaps. Acts as a dynamic accumulator, pulling nutrients like potassium, calcium, and magnesium from deep in the soil. Fun fact: known in folklore as knit bone, because of its historic use to heal broken bones and sprains. Comfrey is a powerhouse plant for sustainable and organic gardening. Whether used for composting, soil improvement, or herbal remedies with caution, it's a must-have for permaculture and eco-conscious gardens.